The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don achieve another ogbonge feat for inside we country Nigeria. He don achieve something wey be say the former president of we country wey be Muhammadu Buhari no achieve for inside we country. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, we country Nigeria e don come outside as the third largest debtor to the World Bank, their International Development Association. And this record na sake of say we country Nigeria e don too borrow money from the World Bank. Now, according to the World Bank, their financial statement, they say the exposure of we country Nigeria to the International Development Association e rise by 14.4% for inside the fiscal year of 2023. Now, the money wey we country Nigeria the whole World Bank e don reach the total sum of $16.5 billion for inside this year 2024. This current administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu e don make our country Nigeria waka from their previous position wey be the fourth largest borrower, that na inside the year 2023. Now we country Nigeria e don climb the ladder. We country don become among the top 3 countries for inside the International Development Association debtors, and this dey happen for the first time. No be small matter, my good people. And you see this development, so this new record na sake of say the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu they don increase their debt by $2.2 billion. Now, this money wey they collect from the International Development Association, they use them for projects, and normally these projects them na to improve infrastructure, na to enhance public services and reduce poverty. Now, all these projects normally they are very much critical, they are very much important to the long-term developmental goals of we country Nigeria. But however, my good people, the status it also come with risk. This new debt record so we our country Nigeria don plaster upon themselves, and the risk be say since we country Nigeria don become top debtors, that is to say for inside we country Nigeria's budget they go gats include servicing of debt, and if they include servicing of debt, e go make the government now no go dey able to do other important things for other important areas for inside we country Nigeria. Normally nobody go hear this kind matter we go come dey happy, because this news e no make sense for ear. Advantage no dey this kind development o, na only disadvantage na full am, because now we country Nigeria e don emerge, e don come outside as top debtors. E go make we country now come dey vulnerable to external shocks like changes in global interest rates or a downturn in the global economy. And as e be so like this now, e go come make the repayment of the debt now come dey somehow hard. No say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, this in administration, im dey very much active in securing international financial support to address the economic challenges of a country Nigeria. Normally the president dey try, im dey travel the country, im dey go meet other presidents, other ministers of other countries, im dey try partner with them, im dey try collaborate with them so that we country Nigeria go make sense. And no be lie, my good people, you see that partnership wey dey inside that collabo, we country Nigeria need am well well. Now, if we say make we talk our mind, this travel wey our president dey travel, e dey incur more spending. Na so im go travel go South Africa, travel go France, travel go China, all those kind levels now na money e dey cost. Make e no be say the federal government go collect loan from World Bank to say they wan use am take improve infrastructure, say they wan use am take enhance public services and reduce poverty. Last to come carry the money dey fund their travel to France, dey fund their travel to China and other countries for one kind meeting we will not understand. Meanwhile, for inside we country Nigeria, country people they suffer on a daily basis. Now they don't finish their end bad governance protest. The protest now na sake of say things and things no dey well, no dey alright with country people. They don't like the kind policy with this administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu carry come. Things don't too choke for them. I mean, they enter streets for 10 days. Come dey shout, we no go gree, put back fuel subsidy, change some kind things, we are not happy. All those kind of levels them. Last, the protest no end well, because the government they don't do the things and things we country people they ask of. Now, instead of the federal government to at least do the needful, even if na only small, They no do am. Dem proceed go dey arrest innocent pipu wey come outside to do protest. After now, the federal government go dey brag, dey make noise on international levels, dey give other countries say the country is democratic and all those kind of things dem. But normally, we know say democracy e no dey inside we country Nigeria. E no dey for the electoral process, e no dey for inside federal government their body. How the federal government go collect loan? Dey talk say na for public services, dey wan use am take reduce poverty. Meanwhile, country pipu dey cry every day. Country pipu do protest. Instead of you to give them tissue take wipe their tears, you lock them for inside prison. E no make sense. That is not how democracy is being done. Now, as country pipu dey cry, dem dey live la vida loca. Dey change private jet without telling the general public. The Nigerian senators dey collect 21 million naira on a monthly levels. Dey buy new SUV for lawmakers. Dey refurbish their houses. Dey travel abroad to and fro as if abroad na their backyard. Dey hide, dey make investments for other countries. Dey hide, dey do things and things wey dey supposed to dey do for inside we country Nigeria. Now dey go gats include servicing of debt for inside Nigerian budget, because if they no pay the debt wey dem go carry, so if they no pay back, na another wahala. Because if one Chinese company go fit carry matter go French court, we can give them the power to seize 3 Nigerian private jets and other Nigerian assets wey dey abroad. Then what about this World Bank? So if the World Bank ready say they wan give we country Nigeria hit, dem fit seize the whole of Nigeria if care is not taken. And no be like say our country Nigeria no dey blessed o. We country is very much blessed with natural resources, with the raw materials and other things and things wey this our country Nigeria get. Country people no supposed to dey cry of hunger. They no supposed to dey cry of poverty. But you see the politicians wey we come go get, so e come as if na dem be the Goliath for our David life. E come as if na dem be the barricade. E come as if na dem dey bring the katakata wey dey happen, because their mismanagement and the kind corruption wey dey for inside the system, e come make country people no fit see front. E come make country people dey go do protest of 10 days, hunger, bad governance. Meanwhile, we get things and things and we get am surplus. E suppose better our life, even better another nation join sef.
Dis my good people na the informate wey as make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Na we be Anointed Lady TV. Na we dey give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to the channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go get am sharp sharp.
And try make you share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another interesting informate for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.